I would like to officially open AI UK 2023.
This is where we're going to have the big ideas.
We're applying data science and AI to the questions that really matter.
AI has to be for the planet.
And we should push the boundaries of what is possible to do.
Not only can women work in this area, but women do work in this area.
We are on the precipice of a totally different world and totally different interpretations of our rights.
My favourite thing about AI UK is
networking opportunities.
The demos have been so varied.
Pitch Fest, I absolutely loved it.
And I think it's great that PhD students have had this kind of platform.
I love the fact that so many people from diverse backgrounds come to one place.
In so many ways we can learn from each other, even collaborate in the future.
Where is this technology going to take us? Where are we going to be in a decade?
Like, the fantasy here is a general purpose AI that you confront it with any problem, it figures out what's going on, and you can count on it to give you an answer.
We need to have access to reliable, trustworthy information. And if we can't trust the information about the world, that has very real dangers for democracy.
When we come to look back and write the history of the early 21st century, we know that data science, informatics, AI, it will have been the transformative technology.